This demo highlights the use of the search and filter function within the Action Items module of the LeanOffice tool. Once you've logged into the system, just click on the Action Items button about halfway down the left toolbar. And this will take you to the Manage Action Items page. I've gone ahead and populated this with a few more action items so that we can use some search functionality, and you'll see the results appear here in real time. What we're going to focus on today is this gray box. These are all the search and filter options available to you within this module. First up is the Open Text Search field. This is a pretty powerful tool you can use to identify strings of text within the action item list. And it's going to look at the action item source, the owner, the action item wording itself, and also any categories or tags tied to those action items. Next up on the list is the owner. You can see it's defaulted to the logged in user, but there is an option here to choose all users in the tool or other individual users. And as you make these adjustments, you see the table adjusting below. The source section, most of your action items will appear as action item source within this list, but there are other modules in the LeanOffice that will actually create action items for you, such as the Waste Walk tool. As you build those, it will create those automatically in this list, but if you wanted to look at all of your Waste Walk action items, you could use that function here with the filter. Our final filter for dropdown is the category or tag filter. This list is editable by anyone with account owner or manager status by clicking on the pop-up to the left of the name category tag, and by clicking on this button, it will take you to a page to add or edit any of your categories that are present. In the same way that you would filter on a specific owner, you can use this to identify which action items are tied to which categories or tags. The final item on this page, in this section, is the Hide Complete and Cancel. By default, again, this is turned on with the assumption being that you only want to see actual action items that are still open, that have not been completed or were not canceled. But you can always toggle that to the off position, and several more action items will appear for you on the list.